Hello and welcome to Rkea, IKEA but for redstone. Today we are building a chicken farm so that you can get infinite cooked chicken and feathers. You will need one chest, 4 redstone, a slab of your choice that is not wood. Well, you can use the new nether woods, but you can't use flammable wood. A lava bucket, glass, any block of your choice, a dispenser, 4 redstone repeaters, 2 hoppers, and a redstone torch. First, what you'll do is place a chest. Then crouch and place a hopper on the back of that chest. Make sure the hopper flows into the chest. You can see it because it looks like this. On top of that hopper, crouch and place a slab. Then on 3 sides, place glass. Make sure that chest is still open. On the last side, build up so that you can place a dispenser set right there. And then break any blocks that you used to build up. And then make another layer of glass all the way around and put a lava bucket in that layer, like so. So from the side it should look like this. And then crouch and place a hopper flowing into the dispenser, like this. And then on the top of this, that's where we're going to keep our chickens, where you will be able to use all the eggs in your chest to go up here and build this little glass cage, and you should throw all of those eggs in here. I'm not going to throw the eggs in this example to decrease lag. Then we will be making a redstone timer. This is where your building block of choice will come in. Redstone timers are very easy. All you need is to make this little sunflower pattern out of repeaters and click them all twice. Then place redstone dust in each corner. And then the tricky part. Grab your redstone torch and place it and break it as fast as you can on one of the corners, so that then it'll look like it's going on and off in a circle. This will make it to where your dispenser is constantly being powered and unpowered, so that it'll constantly shoot eggs. And now, your automatic chicken farm is done. Thank you for coming to Rkea. See you next time. Bye!